Okay, we're ready. So, a couple things I need to do. Put the thing to recirculate the multi-port valve. So that's there. I need to fill the basket of the pump with water. So I have the hose here. And we'll see what happens once it fills. Actually, it should just overflow. At this point, it should overflow. Yeah, it's gonna right there. Oh, and the little basket went and flowed. Isn't that kind? We're gonna open the main drain valve. I don't know if that's in frame or not, because we need that open. So let's see what happens now. Hey Joe, how you doing? Oh my. Yep, okay, so that's in. Push the basket back down. Oh, it wants to float. Okay, good. That's fine. Let's move, just to add a little more water if I can. Theoretically, it should be going through this pipe here and down into the ground. If you do this for long enough, I think the pressures involved may allow it to overflow, depending if you have an air bubble locked in it, which again will, eventually work itself out. Oh, see, it's going up now. That's it. So that's all I could get. Okay. I'm gonna have to put the cover on. You know what? This thing, I don't know about you, but I can't see through it anymore. So I think that's going to be about it for it. So I got a new one right here from Sharky 626. Brand new cover. This one you can see through. Look at that. So we'll see how long China, is it China? Let me see. It has a whole bunch of different, made it, holy crap people. I don't know if you could see, made in the USA. Oh, fuck me. How about that? And also, a new gasket. I think this one is still alright. But here's a new one, so, if you're going to do it right. I'm going to add a new gasket. Get it out of here. There it is. So I just got to work this into the groove here. Just work it all along the edge. There we go. There. It almost looks, well, it popped out. It looks like it's too big, but it's not. It's just new and hasn't conformed. Let me see if I could just displace some water. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on. Wrong one. Put the nice cover on. Come back over here. Oh boy. Yep, that's good. Okay. You may remember last year I replaced little screw things. They stripped out again. They're not too bad. So we're just doing 2 fingers. The gasket is new, so quite honestly, I don't think that's going to be a problem. Main switch is off. Next thing we're going to do is get the solar back. I don't know if you can see that. So breaker 1 on, breaker 2 on. Open this. Here's another thing he fucked with. This is on manual test, and it's staying in the middle. There's a switch that I like to call the Julio switch underneath it that he can control it manually. There's no reason that any of this shit has to be touched. So we got to let that open. And now shut the manual test. It should cycle all the way back. All right, it looks like it. So no harm done, except you're making yourself out to be a buffoon on the JK18 channel. Everything's in, everything's on, everything's ready. We're just about ready to throw the switch. Now, I don't know if it's the way the sun is coming in, but you know what? I don't know if you're going to be able to see anything in that basket. There is so much reflection on there. Let me see if I could zoom in. Yeah, let me get the camera repositioned. Okay, I can't see much of anything. Well, I could see kind of from this angle. Just barely, though. Here we go. Okay, it purged the water that was in there. I see a little trickle of water coming in. We have to wait for this to catch prime. This might take 2, even 3 minutes. I don't think I see any water now. That's great. I know I'm blocking the shot. I apologize. Let me zoom you out a little bit. I'm not happy with that. So we're going to open this and play the add water game. Maybe that little extra bit that I purged out would have done it. Who knows? Perhaps we displaced more air in the waste line, and I could pump some more water in. It's burping, but that's it. It's as full as it's going to get. So we'll try it again. Put this back on. Water's moving. Water moved. I'm still seeing water. There is a little bit coming. I think we got it. I think it's going to pick up. Making sure that you can see what's going on. There's water coming in. It should catch prime. That's picking up a little bit. As long as we have some movement. If you remember how the pump sounded before, it sounded stagnant. Now it's moving. We're picking up. We're picking up. Here we go. Almost there. Purging all the air out of that line. It's moving. There he goes. Come on. Any more in you can get is more out, more pump. And blast the fuck off! Yeah! We got her. Let's go to the pool. Take you out of here and see. We should get some water flowing soon. Yes! We got everything good. Waiting for over here. There he goes. Oh, don't cross the streams, man. Look, I got it again. Yes! Awesome! It works! Oh, wow. All right, let's go see the pump now and see how bad that carnage is. Woo! I feel like it was the 4th of the slime. All right, we got some air in there, but I'm not concerned because that's going to have to make its way out eventually. I think it'll purge.